Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press. I'd like to welcome you all for the cover launch of Grazia's December issue. We have the absolutely gorgeous cover girl with us today at this lovely Reliance store, Priyanka Chopra. Now, shooting a December cover with her was a no-brainer. We cannot think of a more exciting cover girl than her. Our December issue is about people who have taken risks and, in Priyanka's own words, walked solitary paths to become giants in their fields. And of course, Priyanka is the perfect choice to lead them all. In fact, I'd like to ask the store manager, Swapnil, to welcome her with a small bouquet. And without pulling this out too long, I'm going to hand it over to our star here. Priyanka, if you could tell us what it was like to shoot with Grazia.
Good evening everyone. First and foremost, it's always lovely to come to a Reliance store. For me, I'm like a child in a toy shop because I'm a techie and all my favorite gadgets are always in all the Reliance stores. So I always ढूंढती हूँ कि मुझे अगला नई चीज़ क्या खरीदनी है. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much, Nikhil bhai, for having me as always. I have to say, Grazia is a very, to me at least, a very fashion-forward magazine for this country. And to be on the December cover was lovely. We had so much fun in the shoot. It was very collaborative. We brought together, looks. It was just creative, and I think that's why it turned out as fun as it has. Because we just all borrowed somebody's something, somebody's shoes, somebody's jacket, and put together stuff. And I think eventually that's what fashion is about, feeling good in whatever you're comfortable in. So I'm very, very happy and grateful to be on the December cover of Grazia.
Thank you for those very, very kind words. And I'm going to now ask you to formally unveil our cover.
Yes, but
Can I ask you to please sign the cover? We'll be very happy.
what?
We have a few customers here. We want to do a small activity. So I just wanted to ask all of them that what gadget do they think is Priyanka's favorite gadget?
Okay, so this is a game we are playing. I'm very serious about my gadgets, as you all know. I don't mess around when it comes to all my gadgets. Yes, आप क्या सोचते हैं? मेरा favorite gadget क्या है? मेरा laptop. सुना है ये पहले ना कहीं? झूठे कहाँ सुना? कैसे पता? Correct. मैं अपने laptop पे मेरा नहीं जी सकती. It's my most favorite gadget.
We just have a small gift for you.
Come on stage. Sorry, मेरी आवाज़ बैठी हुई है.
We'll keep it open for the press now. Thank
You
you.
can just ask.
No questions from the press? You're letting me be? ऐसा कैसे हो गया? अच्छे मोड़ में हूँ, माइक को तो पास करो। No questions? It's okay. I'm very happy with that.
Priyanka, hi.
Yeah.
Yay. I'll start it with quite an obvious question, but you've shot so many covers. If you had your own magazine and if you had to put someone on the cover, how would you style that person and who would you want to put?
I think the one person, first how I would like to style people on my cover is I think it's very important to have a personality of your cover girl or your cover person. It's extremely important that a picture speaks about who they are rather than trying to put them in a mold of something. And if I have to make someone my cover girl, let's see. Wow, I have so many. A female or a male?
Anything you want.
I would like to make Amitabh Bachchan my cover. I think he's an all-time amazing, sexy cover guy.
And what about a couple if you had to put?
Me and my mystery man. Whenever we find out who it is and when I'm ready to talk about it, because I think that'll be the best cover.
Okay, perfect.